Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign a PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. We'll go over the straightforward process of adding your signature, whether it's a digital ID or a scanned image, to any PDF file. This skill is incredibly useful for streamlining your workflow and ensuring your documents are legally binding and secure. Get ready to make your document signing process much more efficient and professional with just a few easy clicks. First, open the PDF you wish to sign in Adobe Acrobat. Look for the Fill and Sign tool, which is your gateway to adding signatures. Here, you'll have 3 convenient options to create your signature. You can simply type your name, draw it directly using your mouse or trackpad, or upload an existing image of your signature. Choose the method that best suits your needs for a clear and authentic representation. Once you've created your signature using one of the 3 methods, it's time to place it on your document. Simply click on the area of the PDF where you need your signature to appear. You'll then have the flexibility to drag and resize it, ensuring it fits perfectly and looks professional. Take a moment to position it precisely, making sure it aligns correctly with any signature lines or designated areas on your form. After successfully placing your signature, the final step is to save your document. This ensures all your changes, including the signature, are permanently applied. You might also consider adding a password for an extra layer of security, especially for sensitive information. Once saved, you can easily share your signed PDF electronically via email or other platforms, completing your document workflow efficiently and securely. Congratulations, you've signed your PDF.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.